Cotterill ar gic gornel isel I McLagan, dwi'n siŵr ai dyna oedd o'n I fwriadu. Yn ôl mae'n mynd. Lewis i'r canol, peniad I gornel y rhwyd gan Luke Cooper a'r Barry sy'n cipio'r fantais gynnar y symudiad o'r gic gornel. Doedd I ddim yn edrych yr orau I ddechrau fi, ond o'n abod Jordan Cotterill, dyna oedd o'n I fwriadu a'r bel yn y diwedd yn cael ei chroesi at Luke Cooper, a Cooper yn penio I gefn y rhwyd am ei chweched gol y tymor yma. Bel yn amlaen, Curtis MacDonald oedd yno, ond mae'n rhoi hi I Jay Thomas. Croesiad neu ergyd gan Jay Thomas. Mae'n gyffyrddiad beth bynnag ac mae'n gic gornel. Mi oedd o'n edrych o fod o'n siapio I groesi, ond mi oedd yn rhaid I Mike Lewis fod yn wyledwrus. Birch ar tafliad hir. Neb yn ennill y peniad cyntaf, mae'r ergyd yn dod I mewn. Ac mi oedd rhaid I honna gael ei chlirio. Euros Griffiths yn troi'n dda, a bron a chanfod y gornel bella. Evan Press yng nghanol cae yn ei lledu hi. Digon o le gan Aidan Lewis. Lewis yn croesi i'r postyn pella, peniad rhydd! Ac am arbediad gan Craig Morris. Oedd Troy Greening yn siŵr I fod o wedi sgorio. A bron pawb arall ym Mharc Jenner, ond doedd Craig Morris ddim am adael I honna I giro fo. Cooper i'r Barry. Honna'n disgyn I McLagan. A McLagan yn ergydio. Ond Craig Morris yn arbed yn dda. Kane McLagan yn manteisio ar y blerwch yn amddiffyn Rhydaman. Ac yn troi ac yn ergydio. Ond Craig Morris yn sefyll yn gadarn. Y tîm sy'r frig at Apple. Mewn safle da ar yr egwyl. Yn ôl â hi gan Morgan Clark. Y bel i'r canol gan Samuel. A'r peniad ymlaen. Ac mae'n y gic o'r smotin am wthio. Rhydaman yn gweiddi amdani ac yn cael y gic. Lee Trundle yn erbyn Mike Lewis. Trundle! A'i arbed! Ac yn sgorio ar yr ail gynnig. Wel, am ddrama ar ddechrau yr ail hanner. Mi sgoriodd o ddwywaith yn ei erbyn nhw pan gurodd y Rhydaman Barry ar ddechrau'r tymor. A mae Trundle wedi unioni'r sgôr yn fan hyn. Fy tafliad hir gan Daniel Birch. Y peniad ymlaen I gyfeirio Trundle. Trundle ar gic! O, am ergyd! A tasa honna wedi mynd mewn, byddai wedi bod yn wefreiddiol. Trundle yn gweld y cyfle am y gic acrobataidd. Mike Lewis yn gorfod cael ei law iddi i'w gwthio hi dros y bar. Trundle ar y bel. Yn ei gosod un dda I Tom Pratt. Pratt ar bas ymlaen. Callum Thomas ar ergyd. Mike Lewis yn ei ffwnio hi allan am gic gornel yn y diwedd. Wel, am gyfle I Callum Thomas. Roi Rhydaman ar y blaen. Tom Pratt ar bas. A Thomas a'i ergyd yn un isel, ond Mike Lewis yn arbed yn dda. Luke Cooper yn trio canfod Gavin Bedard. Y bel disgyn yn y cwrt Cosby, Callum Sainty am arbediad gan Craig Morris. Wel, am gyfle i'r Barry ennill I. Callum Sainty gafodd y cyfle. Ei ergyd o'n syth at Craig Morris, y golwr yn gwneud yn wych I rithro allan I arbed honna.
Talk us through the penalty. You had a second bite at the cherry.
Yeah, do you know what? I've missed my record for Ammanford is really bad. I've missed a few. So on the last one, I said he was going to take it. No one stepped up, so I thought I'll take responsibility. Keeper saved it, and then it's come back out to me, and I've managed to put it in. So I was pleased to see that one go in.
I think you got to give credit to the goalkeeper, Craig Morris. I mean, he's the same age as me, and I think he played against me a few times, and he was unbelievable today for Ammanford, and he made some unbelievable saves. But on another day, it could have been maybe 3 or 4. But we've got to give credit to the opposition when credit's due, and credit to Craig as well for the amount of saves that he made as well. Also,
you almost secured the win with an acrobatic effort as well.
Yeah, well, it was just about trying to get balls in the box there, and I've managed to get it on my chest, and then the only way I could get my shot off is with an overhead kick. So I tried that, and the keeper made a good save off it. So I think all in all, we're happy to come away with the points, especially with the run that we've been on.
A lot of our points have come from teams sort of at the top end, which it's hard to put your finger on really, but I think definitely it's a great ground to come to, and to get a point, especially in the the circumstances of the game. We were pinned in a lot and barried a lot of ball, and our keeper made 2, 3, maybe 4 really good saves, so you could count us lucky there, but I think we earned our luck today.
6 games is a long time, and we were just talking about it now. It's less than 10 hours work, but we're in a position now where we've got to keep our foot on the pedal and not take our eye off the ball either, because for us it's taking it minute by minute, and off the back of today, that's a negative result for us and dropping 2 points, but more importantly, something for us to work on in the week and look forward to next week, to next Friday.
I play for Llanelli over 40s and over 45s as well, so I've got a game for them tomorrow, and then I'll be playing against them next week. So friends tomorrow, and then next week we've got to go out and try and get 3 points.